This last concept, or not last, I'm sorry, this other concept that we're going to look at is called the distributive property. When we have the distributive property, it is when you have a number or a letter outside of parentheses, and you're going to multiply it by everything inside the parentheses. Great review concept for Algebra 1 next year. So let's just look at the first example. Example 1. We're going to take that -6 and we're going to multiply it by everything inside the parentheses. So we're going to take -6 times the 1a. And when we take -6 times 1, we get a -6 and we attach the a. And now we're going to take the -6 times the 8. So the -6 is being multiplied by everything. And -6 times 8 is going to be a -48. So here, that's one example of taking the distributive property and applying it, multiplying whatever's outside times everything on the inside. Now what I want to tell you is sometimes you'll see the number or the letter at the back of the problem. I'm going to go ahead and look at number 10. So the -4 is at the back. That's okay. We're still going to multiply the -4 times everything in the parentheses. So we're going to have -4 times -6p. And we know that a negative times a negative is a positive, so that's 24p. Plus, and the -4 times the 7. And we know -4 times 7 is a -28. And why are we done here? We can't go any further. Well, we can't go any further because our video yesterday was on like terms. These are not like terms. The 24 has the letter P with it, and the -28 does not. So you cannot combine these two. You are finished. 5 problems, turn it in.